Welcome back again, bafethu. This is Danko Diski Podcast. I'm your host, King Shama Selone yazike nani bafethu manibona thina nje elana obhutshuzwayo ziyakhala. Angihambi ke ngedwa njengenjwayelo, ngiphethe umsholozi la my co-host. Sesisemaphethelweni manje bafethu elidumele emasumpeni sesifikile sikalelekile. Mhlambe before nje ngingene kakhulu nginika umsholozi anibingelele.
Ngiyabingelela emakhaya noma umuntu ezosho kuseyimanje uphethwe umkhuhlanyana but sesifikile ku Danko Diski Podcast la khona sibingela khona wonke umlaleli sithi namhlanje sinendaba ezimnandi sinendaba ezinhle sizonibamba mongazo masiqeda kodwa nje into ebalekile njengamanje ukuthi
sesikhona bafethu cishe ngakhumbula isiqubulo se-Super Cup ukuthi yethu sonke nomsholozi mfethu umkhuhlane usibambe sonke isizini yabheda i-weather is not good. I hope abantu baphephile guys, sibonile into eyenzekele ko New Hanover very bad. Yeah, let's hope ukuthi uhulumeni nomasipala balekelele guys nabantu nje aba-affordayo abazama ukuthi bacuphise abantu ngoba isimo sisazoba bad, especially KZN. Yeah, ipersonally weather. Mhlawumbe ke sibuyeleke my king ebholeni mfethu udlaliwe ibhola maningi amabhola, it's been happening. Mhlawumbe emahlehla siya ke PC kwigame eKaizer Chiefs. Niyazi nani ukuthi asikwazi ukudlula singayithintanga iKaizer singayithintanga iPirates. Nayo ke Sundowns. Kodwa nje babili ama teammates mfethu awungene kule game analysis as a professional ukuthi Chiefs they lost, ne? 2-1. We thought mhlambe bazobuya ne-draw laphana or even win because it was possible. Yeah.
I believe it's one of those. Remember, I did say at least they lost 2-1, which means away from home. But maybe we are Lakers, which means they must do more in terms of them so that they are comfortable. But I think they played well, the Chiefs. It was a moment in Okwati Lapana whereby we couldn't clear a ball and then eventually Liangena Pagat. But all in all, I think they are coming. I mean, like as I said, it's a team that is building up, and I'm pretty sure that sooner or later they will be striving even for more things to come.
Thank you so much, Msholos. That's true. That's what I saw in Amingbugandia game. No, it was a nice game and in advantage of Kaizer Chiefs to win, but it's football in Yaznan, guys. Sibuye sizekuleli le Mamelodi Sundowns with the Mokoko. Limpopo team. Beza South Africa again. Vele ke siyazi ukuthi Sundowns, guys, the Giants. Yeah. So with analysis yethu ukuthi sibona ngathi pace Sundowns is not the same but they are still winning.
I will say, Mina, I've said it to the podcast as well. I said Pirate was unfortunate because to me, Pirate, I think they were, but they were very unfortunate. To show that team is not so strong, Pirate was born. They could have even won the game if this team didn't come with a strategy of what they want to do. They don't play football, but they play a man. So the one that now Sazum Koko is because of that factor that he was making sure that the team was always bullied and whatnot. So, but I knew with Sundowns will never be outclassed by Lababantu, honestly. Because the Pirates is the same thing, mas so but I didn't know yaba unfortunate away, and then when they come home, and they did. So for me, I knew with Sundowns it was gonna beat those people. Galule ngoba uyababonke bazange bullying abezi ngokuzodlala. So for me, I think Sundowns, as much as they are not doing so well in terms of how they structure and playing, but remember, it game amateur. It game masithi amateur so can be team ngeke exactly how they used to play, but they know how to win. They know how to win, those guys.
Thank you, Msholos. That's true. And lento I question mark kuma clubs angale because they all have that similar way of doing things. Ngizothi bullying nje kulibeka in simple terms. Mangabe beyodlala kwenzakalani inkinga coaching ithi akube nje ya noma what happening?
I think it's more or less of being afraid. For me, I will say that it's my opinion. Ukuthi, when you are afraid of something, you know you can't match, which means you need to make sure that those people are not comfortable mentally and physically. So it means in moment ukuthi, are you ready mentally? Are you ready physically? Yes. But mental strength is it there? Your only problem. So I believe ukuthi we with us. Mawubuki South Africa is in general. We always seems like people abangakwazi ukuba mentally strong. I'll make an example amaningi. When these people are going overseas, they make it. Thina it's hardly uthola umdlalo uzohlala more than isikhathi akade sibekelwe. Umuntu will always want to come home because home is comfortable. So they know us ukuthi hayi labantu mabesebenza so bazoyenza so. So I think it's more or less manje ukuthi when we growing these boys, we must make sure that they are not comfortable. They must know ukuthi what it takes to play away, what it takes to play at home, what it takes to be mentally fit and mentally strong. So at a very young age. So it's unfortunate ukuthi we've been symbolized as abantu abathola yonke into. Uyabo South Africa ngathi kunjalo. So ingako labantu mabefika kuthina they will bully us. Masiyakubona away bazosenza ama grounds ngawazi ukujima bazokwenza ukuthi sibe uncomfortable sibe kwi situation e compromise ourselves. So I think it's a matter of thina sikwazi ukujimisa side esiwiki kulona so that sokwazi ukuba better people.
Wayibeka umsholozi guys njengoba bekasho ukuthi umsholozi siyafa umkhuhlane namhlanje but ke yeah sikhona ngoba siyajima ikona into enza amaphaphu ehleze evulekile. Hey wayibeka umsholozi kasho ukuthi uye professional and uyibeka ngale side thina singayiboni ngalo as ama fans thina siyadinwa nathi because hey man badlalisa kabi ingane these guys always foot not once. Exactly itesuka le move.
Sitshela ukuthi thina kufanele sikhumbuleke manje ukuthi which means ukuthi we must grow these boys out of their comfort zone. It's very important because soloku complain ngento abayenza njalo bona. Even if udlala nabo home bazoyenza sure even ungayi Algeria I mean like everywhere. So it's a matter of mental strength. Yeah, sikwazi ukadjust to that level ukuthi bafika basenza lokho sikwazi ukumaintain but bekwenza sikwazi ukumaintain.
Hayi wayibeka umsholozi siyabonga kakhulu sibuye size kwi yesterday's game Orlando Pirates neChippa United.
As I did say and mentioning it again, ngathi Pirates is very strong. Pirates is very strong. It's a very strong team. Even though I'm against izinto that are happening, but it's football. Sometimes sinasuke singekho. For me there are moments where you see that unomtajela fanele aphume kancane yabo but thoda coach akamkeep. Maybe there are reasons but as fans we must be patient ngoba we don't know what's happening at Jimin. But for me I think there are moments where you can see the boy struggling and then he needs to also come out. But ngathi coach we programmile man I want to take this one off and yabo into enjalo. But I believe ukuthi is a good boy, is growing and then fana yes Pirate naye bahlangene kamnandi. But I always maintain ukuthi I will wait for the day. I'm happy that Riley is coming back again into his old form lesimazi even though he's playing a different role. Omunye uzothi wehlile. I've said in a football IQ that boy is massive. He thinks into ngeuzoyicabange. So I remember there was a boy as well owakwenza kanjalo. I remember sasicoacha nomunye coach sathi sithi siyamthethisa siyasukuma siyamthethisa wavele wenza into ngavele ngahlala phansi ngathuka because there's those type of players la khona obona khona ukuthi cisho ngamthethisa bese uthi sorry boy well done yabo that boy is like that. So ngoba siyakwenza thina sesifuna ukuthi sidlalise igame ubona lapha unaphasa lo no yena ufuna ukuphasa lo ya lo uzokwazi ukukora. So that boy I mean like we're waiting for him just to leave the country. As they say, if he's not leaving the country, I'm always saying which if this boy doesn't leave the country, then Betway Premiership must make for the first time that this boy becomes an ambassador of Betway Premiership. All the sponsors that Betway abanazo bamnike, and then uzimpilo yakhe wazuba secured for life. Abe ileyo nto because that thing has never been given. But when you look at Europe, they don't sell their good players to them. Why are we saying all our best players must move overseas? Then they drop the form. I'm saying, some of the players, let's keep them here, but send the show whatever that they get bathola ukuthi ngeke baphinde bahlupheke.
Hey washaya Msholozi. Washaya. Hey washaya. Yabona ke le ijule kakhulu ke le.
Because right now we don't know ukuthi uzoye France, uzoye Spain. He needs to prove himself. If you watch a game yase Spain, noma yase France, noma yakupha ama under 21, you can see how these boys are advanced. I'm not really saying it's not possible. This boy is everything. But I'm saying he's a South African boy. He plays the South African style. If you maintain like what Dr. Baba Pasalama pass. So I'm saying Uti, this boy just need that platform of saying, hey, Betway, embrace this boy. If he Betway with 10 million, give this boy 10 million or whatever money that he can get. But he must be a brand. Betway Premiership, Adidas, Nike, whoever. He must be a brand ukuthi bamnika yonke into ayidinga amethu ayidinga. Stay in the country. If you're making 5 million a month or 4 million, because he must get that and then ahlale la. But he's getting that endorsement. I'm saying 5 minutes after 2 years. He's playing, doing well at 21.
Sholozi, that's true, my king.
His dream is to play overseas, so we mustn't also simvalele. Yabo mayithole opportunity, a good team comes in for me. We need to see him adlala ibhola competent nabantu in the world. But if it doesn't happen, in any case, maybe the offers are not good enough for him because of his caliber. Then keep the boy.
And do justice to him. No, thank you so much, man. Hey, yabo isquad se Pirates siyaphaka siyathulula and umbokazi as well thinking nama negotiation that I can leave the squad. Oke wayizwa.
Yeah. I think abantu bazoyiblame into eyenzeka in football manje. But mina ngizothi it's a proud moment for us. If it does go to MLS ayodlala, it's good. Sometimes when umfana eligini enjeyana umuntu uthi hayi incane le league kanjani but the good thing America is that bakhuluma isingisi, so he won't struggle badla ukudla okufanayo okunaloko uzo strive more ukuthi ahambe more. And also I think into ebalekile la ukuthi uyayithola yini into ezoshintsha impilo yakhe. So if lokho kwenzeka, you mustn't take that away manje uthi uzolinda kuze kuvele i-offer yase Spain kodwa kube labantu bethi i-opportunity ukuthi ungadlala phesheya ebet emnandi. I would be happy for the boy if he does leave.
Thank you so much. Akahamba umpelekazi mfethu and Liamchita he's a leader. Une leadership in his physique and uyabona ukuthi ibanje.
It's in him. It's not something that afundiswa. Yinto ekhule nayo. He's a born leader.
Yeah, kuningi guys and bonile ucoach ufikile ngaqale namgxeka nathi no animdingi but wafika nenzela into engakaze nibone inina futhi emva kwakhe right now and he's about to take another cup. Calling Blake Blebuli finally seduze nayo. So be patient, understand ukuthi as ama followers you'll never understand the technique, the coach's strategies. It's a lot. Bonile izolo bejabula kade kubuya uMakhawula uMakhehleni. So the squad is big.
So the good thing engizoyisho futhi kubalandeli ngoba we must always tell them the truth and nothing but the truth. Pirates are coming for eThekwini with a very difficult game. This one will be very difficult for Pirates against Durban City. But I'm still maintaining Pirates will win, go 1-0 or 2-0 at the most. But it's going to be a very difficult game with you come in hand planning. But you can't plan for a Pirate right now because it means good when you are compromised, good to plan the Pirates. Mesul Pet will in the counter attack. But it's more or less a good thing. It's mina at this moment in time they are in a momentum. I don't know. So bengizobheja kodwa yabo la ngumlandeli bengizothi iOrlando Pirates izo kora 1. Then it may be possibility that umuntu ayibheke lento engishoyo ngoba it's spiritual. Durban City ngalida ngo-1-0 before half time. Kodwa iPirate kodwa izowina. It's either ngo-2-1 or go Durban City. Durban City nayo potential ukukora qala against Pirates kule game kodwa Pirates uzoyiwina igame yakhona noma kuthiwa kwenzakalani.
shothi guys lapha kwi betting yethu sifaka iwina singawafaka amagoli to be safe because
be safe ngokuthi izokora qala Durban City then ultimate Pirate will win the game lapho ke you can come back to us and say uyasadlisa if akwenzeka ngaloko but Pirate will eventually win the game anyway I don't know ukuthi izoyiwina iDurban City.
No, seshile kumsholozi akukho esingakusho thina it's been giving predictions futhi accurate ngendlela eyisimanga nikhumbule abafethu uthi masibheja abantu abadala from 18 kuyaphezulu and you know when to stop noma ngabe yipi platform okuyona obheja kuyona phinde sibonge ke futhi the sponsorship isicelo Sports Skills for supporting Take2 TV sibonge nabanye bafethu spare there's a lot behind this movement siphinde futhi icathulo zesikole guys zisakhona and nanibazali emakhaya advice this is the time to buy shoes nama uniform manje not ngo January ku cheap manje go there ngama bonus and do those things so that ingane ngeze struggleish it's only a matter of timing Msholozi last week sihambele ema grounding we visited KZN Academy nibonile guys this week isiphetheni and ikhamba kanjani moving forward.
Yeah, this weekend njengoba sisuka manje la sibhekele ema grounding Action Academy where we're going to be having them. It's their first time bedlala tournament. The good thing about them is that basuka KZN in a way. It's the team that is Suka KZN. Most of their players have played the cup before and the coaches as well, they've played the cup before but they were at KZN.
Yo, it's crazy umlingo.
Yeah, what we will wait for manje ukuthi sibezwe bathini. What's the expectation yini abafuna ukuyibona, but the good thing ukuthi njengoba beyabantu bokuqala ukudlala le season they are very much nabo dominant, so bayile Cape Town babuya ne cup manje sebebuya nama cup amaningi. We want to see this cup. I think nabo they are waiting for this cup, so uyazi kuzoba nzima, it's not going to be easy. So we're waiting for them, so yakubona sikhulume nabo abalandeli bazozwela what they are saying and then also to capture these moments ama best players wabo so that coach bezothatha ama ideas engamboni number 7 tunzima, let's give him attention. It's important to plan manje, so into kanjalo, so abantu they must look forward to Action Academy. Look forward to it, they are coming, we're going there.
Hey, yeah, ziyakhala bafethu yethu sonke sifikile isukile. Hayi yabo lento ayishoyo ucoach ukuthi basuka ngapha and ama cup into yabo, so watch out whoever is on the list and challenge.
It's going to be very difficult. The teams that are in this tournament this year, I believe ukuthi sobona ibhola. I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu akasize linganethi izulu, asize nje ukuthi simaintain and uNkulunkulu kuba umcimbi wakhe njoba sisho wakhe lo mcimbi akuwona wethu. To the teams engifuna ukuxolisa kubona, there are teams that abasaqina abasaloku beqhubeka befuna ukufaka izicelo, ayicelo sesizovula ngonyaka ozayo. Everything is stopped and sabachazela futhi nabo ukuthi savula nini and they must respect that and bazi ukuthi bongena ngonyaka ozayo. So what is happening manje ukuthi we are focusing on the teams that are here to make sure that we move forward and akulahlambele ngakufelo basho njalo, we cannot ukuthi ngaba sonke kwi tournament, so I problem yaloko yokwenza I tournament igcine ingasahambi ngendlela. So sicela nje ukumaintain the numbers esinawo and sibonge kakhulu for interest. Pinetown Super Cup is really growing and the moment singakuboni lokho so besifana nabantu abathi asiboni ukuthi into yenza ikhona akuyona yethu nathi siyiphathisiwe, that's why siyibona ukumove kwayo ngoba akuyona yethu. So kuloko nje ngifuna ukutshela abalandeli nabantu ukuthi they must come in numbers. Into esizobe sinazo lapha nesobe sinabantu baka health abazotesta abantu whether une isifo esithile uya noma ungenaso kubalekile ukutesta manje, uyabo uchecka ukuthi izinto zakho kanjani, checka ukuthi eneyikuphi okufanele ukulungise ngempilo yakho, sonke sobe sichecka. So abenze sure ukuthi bayeza, there are a lot of things ezizobe zikhona, so they must make sure ukuthi bayafika.
No, thank you so much Msholozi. Ayizikhala kakhulu guys and I tournament it's a competition, so bake basho o coach baveza before ukuthi ngizwa nje iKZN Academy ndlela irelaxe ngayo from players to coaches, bayasho ukuthi abanye first time yabo bengena kodwa baveza ukuthi they've been training. Ucoach uke wakusho lokho ukuthi you've been training the whole year. Manje ocoach okwabo ukuthi bangazocoach abadlali babayeke ba-enjoye and then babaguide la bebaguide khona.
Iloko esikufuna ngePantan Super Cup, that's why ayifakelwe ukuthi let's guide the boys bese ba coach asenza yonke into. Manje sekuyimoment obabuka baya grasp lento, so sizobona lokho ukuthi yipi team yogcina ihambeni nomhlanganiso, kodwa kubalekile ukuzoba kumnandi, kuzoba kuna lot of activities, lot of fun, kuvumeleke ingane so ku 5 years 4 years 3 years ngoba nazo zikhaterelwe izinto ezizobe zizenza. We've got ama games ezizobe ziwadlala zirelaxile ingane, ungeza umndeni wakho uzo relaxa, everyone is welcome kahle kahle ngisho njalo.
Okay, sibonge Msholozi ngabe sanidonsisa kakhulu guys. Today we have usuku olude njoba shilo coach uthi sisaya kuma sports field. For me I'm signing out. I don't have much more, sesiyohlangana nje groundini nami ngithinta lapha. Mhlambe senginika uMsholozi enza in closing your last words.
Yeah, awuthi ngivale kanjena, ngivale ngokuthi I hope abantu bayibonile i-pie chart. And if banama questions, they must make sure that they put those questions in, and also they must subscribe and to the channel and make sure that siyakhula. But ngicela nje ukuxolisa ngokukhehlele umuntu yafa, but ngicela ukuthi bazi ukuthi siyabathanda and abasilandele nantambama, njoba sizoyifaka siyakhona manje siyasuke sema groundini manje babuke yonke into, basupporte and ask questions. Into ebalekile manje ukuthi ifike iPantan Super Cup yethu eyami nawe yakho nami ngithi yami, sobonana khona
eyethu sonke.
Sanibona bafethu, welcome back. Uhamba neModern Zuluman, uhamba noSandile. We're here again as iPantan Super Cup. Namhlanje we are visiting one of the other teams, Durban based Action International Football Academy. So namhlanje ngiphethe ucoach ka under 11 we-Action Academy. Coach, kunjani mfethu, ucela uzazise ebantwini?
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami, ngulakhi igama ngwaGasi Sibongo, ngikhosha kwi-Action International under 11. Yeah.
Alright, coach Lucky, siyabonga kakhulu mfethu. So njengamanje sifuna ukuzwa wena ukuthi as you are preparing ingane, in fact you've been preparing unyaka wonke for iPantan Super Cup, njengamanje yipi philosophy kade uyifake enganeni that you believe in?
Noma ngeke ngisho exactly ukuthi kune philosophy, kodwa nje I think i-team si prepare ngalendlela ukuthi ingane ikwazi ukuthi zi adapt kule ndlela ekudlalwa ngayo manje, of which like uqala ibhola emumva, slow build up, going forward nje, yeah, ilokho. Yeah.
Alright, coach, iPantan Super Cup kulonyaka we have ama team aqhamuka eGoli, Mpumalanga, we have Limpopo, we have iWestern Cape as well. So wena as iAction ucoach under 11 weAction, ungathi yini that sets you apart from other teams?
Ngeke ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe sihluke kakhulu kunamanye ama team, mhlawumbe sengawo ukuthi ke ama team a prepare kanjani for ukuqala kwesizini iziyophela isizini, ngoba angeke ngisho ukuthi nokuthi si prepare for i tournament eyodwa. Start nje isizini iqala and prepare team, then ibe ready for any tournament eqhamukayo.
Alright, bese ke coaching zothi ukuhluka kancane la sengivala nama questions ami ngabe eceleni ngoba ngifuna si freestyle. I want us to talk about your umdlalo wakho that we should look out for ku under 11 esibheke kuyena, ukuthi ungasitshela ukuthi ubani, igama lakhe, nokuthi yini le kangaka okholelwa ngayo kuyena.
Hey. Ay i-team yonke kahle i-team yonke ngendlela prepare ngayo nendlela kade sisebenza ngayo throughout season, ngasho nje ukuthi it's teamwork, it's all about teamwork. Then mhlawumbe sesingaba ke nalawo ma individually or like owethu waNdlovu, waphiwe Dlamini, uZamukuhle, uBusisa, nje we got number of players that we can mention. Asinayo kodwa nje umdlalo oyedwa engamusho.
Yeah, it's a team sports, coach, it's a team sports. Bese ke coach umbuzo wokugcina sesovala nje ngalana ukuthi we understand ukuthi under 11 ukahlathi ibhola nje, it's a very emotional sport, a contact sport. So enganeni thola ukuthi ama results sometimes awahambi according to indlela obungayifisa, ngoba there's like 3 results, you win, you draw and lose. Uyingane zakho, how do you prepare them, or ukhuluma uthini kuzona in cases where you get ama results beningawalindeni?
Kule stage yes kuyenzeka mhlawumbe so coach sometimes sifune more einganeni kodwa nje i-team kodwa masi prepare kahle. Yes, it happens ukuthi mhlawumbe on the day ngeke siwathole ama results, but okubalekile kakhulu is not about ama results, it's about nje ingane idlale kahle zidevelopeke, ikona kuphela okubalekile, ama results eza kamuva.
Alright, bese coach umbuzo wokugcina ke sesayivala ngempela ke manje. Kwashola abafundi sesontweni. I-Pantan Super Cup coach, yini ongasitshela ngayo? Wakwayibuka before wakwayidlala, wakwacoacha kuyona, yini ongasitshela ngayo nangokubaleka kwayo kwi-development ey'ngane ebholeni?
I think it's a tournament enkulu nje eyakhona la KZN ebakhona mihla njalo ngoDecember. It's a very competitive tournament since kunama team aqhamuka endaweni ezihlukene eza nge-style esingafani sokudlala, so ngasho nje ukuthi i-tournament enkulu and it's iya challenge kakhulu nakuzona ingane. Yeah.
So coach, kusuka kule tournament yini oyifisayo ukuthi yenzeke for i-team yakho?
Like njengawo wonke ama team obviously ukuthi ingane zenze kahle nokuthi ekugcineni mhlawumbe sigcine sesifike kule stage sokuthi mhlawumbe kuyenzeka siwin i-tournament. Yeah.
Alright, sabonga kakhulu bafethu nizwele nina ucoach uLucky ka under 11 we Action International Football Academy. Uthi yena he's all about the team. So yeah, now we are at the tournament grooming the team and hoping to play and win as a team. So bafethu coach sizombona khona. Stay tuned mhla 12 to 15 December 2025 at Kloof High School, the 10th edition of Youth Football Tournament. It's your best football tournament eThekwini njengamanje. Sonibona khona, sabona. Okay, siphethe umdlali ka under 11 we Action International Football. Icela uzazise, introduce yourself.
Sabona, igama lami ngingu-Owethu Ndlovu. Ngidlalela i-Action International under 11. Ngidlala kwi-left wing.
Alright, Owethu awusitshela uqhamuka kuswa kuphi nendawo?
Ngisuka from Pinetown.
Okay, mangathiwa ke you have to introduce yourself to umuntu ongakwazi, how would you introduce Owethu?
Competitive and always want to win and always want competition. Yeah. And yeah, that's all.
Bese into ebalekile kuwena ebholeni uma ngathi nje uyasho yini for iposition yakho edlalayo, into ebalekile ebholeni?
To always provide assist and score. Yeah. No. Also keep possession.
Alright, bese ke iPantan Super Cup uswayidlala ngathi before. So uzositshela ngayo iSuper Cup ukuthi wayidlala imiphi iminyaka, i-tournament enjani iSuper Cup?
Ngaqala ukudlala iSuper Cup ngisanga 9 years old. Yeah.
So uma usuyidlalela ucabanga ngayo iSuper Cup?
Ngicabanga ukuthi le iSuper Cup i-tournament enkulu. Futhi it's an achievement to we win.
Okay, so sabonga kakhulu Owethu, guys, nizwele nani Super Cup. It's a big tournament and it's every player's dream to win it. Sabonga kakhulu Owethu, sizokubona khona ngoDecember.
Igama lami nguSemiso Wakhumalo, coach ka under 13 kwi-Action International.
Alright, coach, sithe sabonga ngesikhathi sakho. Awusitshele kancane nje in preparation for iSuper Cup ukuthi iziphi izinto ezibalekile nike nasebenza kuzona kulonyaka?
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi unyaka wonke when we sidlala league, that's part of preparation as well. Kuze sifike kuleli zinga sesifike kulona, ngiyacabanga ukuthi namanje ubona kubhizi la egroundini nakhona kusayingxenye ye-preparation. Noma ke singeke size sisho ukuthi we are 100% prepared for i-tournament, ngoba i-tournament enye yama-tournament amakhulu akhona KwaZulu-Natal or probably elokhunjaneni kwi-country njengamanje. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi sikuyona i-process and we on path. Sizwile nokuthi kunama team amasha ajoinile. We are trying to push by all means and yeah, coach.
Bese coach, since coach under 13, I believe ukuthi kusayiyona grassroots level or beginning of youth football. IPantan Super Cup ungasitshela nje kancane ukuthi as a platform for youth football ibaluleke kangakanani especially eSouth Africa in development football nje kancane?
Well, ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's very good. It's a very good competition for abantwana. Hence we see nama team afana no Kaizen Academy, Mokoro Milan. This year ngizule kusuka join naMaZulu. And it's a very good learning curve for ingane. Nezinye kakhulu ke zasemalokishini that get a chance to compete with ama team amakhulu and abe ne experience engcono compared to la ama team abadlala emalokishini.
Alright, then coach Aaron, then sengiyabuya manje, I'm coming back to your own yard. One of your players omthembile that we need to look out for, ungasitshela ukuthini nje ngaye igama lakhe and ungasitshela ukuthini ngaye nge style of play sakhe?
Aish, akeke ngize ngisho ukuthi kunomdlalo exceptional ngaleyo ndlela leyo, but I think as a team manager mhlambe ngizosho ukuthi abantu kumele balindele surprise ethile. But in all honesty ngicabanga ukuthi umdlali osa exceptional njengamanje kunomfana ethu Diego Kamiki. I think he's doing very well as a attacking mid striker and a winger. I think he's doing very well. Ake ngize ngisho ukuthi mhlamba kagadwe, but I'm saying he's doing very well for now. Yeah.
So is style of football sakhe uDiego ngasichaza uthini nje kancane?
He's a very offensive player. Likes dribbling, takes on as a speedy player, a team player. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi amalokhu njani ama strong points akhe lawo. But he's a very speedy player and sometimes he has an eye for goal. Yeah. If you give him space, he will punish you.
Sabonga kakhulu coach for isikhathi sakho and all the best for Super Cup.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Alright, bafethu nizwele Super Cup sobe sikhona Kloof High School. Be there, be square.
Hello, my name is Niall Jiwandal. I am 13 years old and I play for Action International. I play as a CDM.
Alright, so Niall, can you tell us briefly about your playing style? How do you think you categorize yourself in your playing style?
Mostly what I try to keep it simple, basics, and when I'm on the ball, don't overthink it and just relax, composure.
Alright, so you're preparing for the Pantan Super Cup. Can you tell us a bit what you know about the Pantan Super Cup? Have you played it? How was the experience?
It was good. I played under 11 and last year for KZN Academy in the under 13 squad that won last year.
So how was it?
Good. It was very good. I think this year will probably be more competitive. Last year there were quite a few good teams, but yeah, I think we're good enough to win again.
Alright, so now briefly, can you tell us in preparation, what do you think the importance of the Pantan Super Cup is, especially for young footballers? As you said, you played it under 11, now you're playing it under 13. How does that help contribute to your football and your growth?
So what I would say is that try listen to your coach, and the most important thing to me in the Pantan Super Cup is to be as fit as possible, because since you're playing maybe 3 games, that's like a long time. You have to be fit. And if you're not fit and you get tired, you can pick up injuries very easily. And the Pantan Super Cup is 3 days of full focus and fitness.
Alright, thank you so much for your time. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Sanibona, igama umnqobi waxaba ngicoacha kwi Action International team yamantombazane. Yeah.
Alright, coach, ngoba usho uzocoach team yamantombazane for the second year this year, iPantan Super Cup uzobe idlala amantombazane. Last year wawungekho, so uzobuqala uzodlala lo nyaka usitshela ukuthi ama expectations kanjani for iPantan Super Cup?
No, I'm happy because we will be participating for the first time, and nanokuthi nabo kuzobe ku experience yabo ukuthi bakwazi ukuyodlala khona lapha, because they never even experience into efana nale. And secondly ukuthi ngihamba ne team encane kakhulu. If you can check umuntu omncane nginabo bonke, she's 15 years. So ngizobe ngihamba nabantu abangako nje 15 16, and kuzobe ku experience emnandi kakhulu ukubona. And ama expectations wami, yes, kuzobe kuyinto enkulu ukubona, but I know they won't disappoint in terms of winning. They can win any game at any time.
Alright, bese coach ke ngisecela ukuthi sithinte manje izinto eziwu2, i-development ebholeni bese kuba i-development yamantombazane specifically, ngoba usho ukuthi abajwayele ukudlala. So leli thuba lelo ukuthi iPantan Super Cup ikwazi ukintroduce amantombazane, ungathini nje ngalo kancane?
Ngicabanga ukuthi iyona platform right yokuthi ne bakwazi ukuthi nabo baveze italent labo, because ukubalekile ukuthi baveze italent labo. You'll never know ukuthi ubani ozobe khona kwi Pinetown Super Cup. So ukudevelopa umuntu wesifazane akusinto elula, because it's similar to developer ingane in 11 years, because uqala from eqaleni until uyophuma phezulu, because we need to teach them the basic. So if sebekwazi ukuyocompete nama team are well developed, lokho kusho kona ukuthi nabo one day they will be there ko Hollywood la bezobe compete khona nama team amakhulu afana nabo Sundowns nawo wonke ama team lawo.
Bese coach ke ama platforms akhona for amantombazane kule division yakho, kule age group yakho. Mangakanani ubona ukuthi mancane maningi into esingenza ngcono ukuthi si improve lapha ebholeni lase South Africa amantombazaneni?
Yeah, wona awekho. Ngcono makuthiwa mancane ngoba kusuka into ekhona awekho. But ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo manje nangokuthi njengoba beexposeka, because tebalekile iexposure. Njengoba exposeka manje okusho kona ukuthi ibhola lamantombazane lizokhula. Kancane kancane liya ngokuya liyadlondlobala. I'm happy because kunalento eyenzekile wePinetown Cup ukuthi kube khona ilontuzana igroup yamantombazana, and I'm definitely sure ukuthi this year izokhula ngeke ifane na last year, maybe even next year izoba better. So kuyinto enkulu nakubona nokudevelopeka kwabo ke kuzoba yenye into futhi ezoba ngcono.
Hi, my name is Cara Commons and I'm 20 years old. I play for Action International and we're very excited to play the Pinetown Super Cup. I've heard a lot about it so far. It's a very good experience for us as women to be playing, especially in the same competition as men. A lot of the time we look down upon, we don't get as many opportunities, we don't get the same fields, the same chances as they do, and it's just so nice that we're being recognized on the same platform that they are. So that's going to be really nice for me and for my other teammates to showcase ourselves and just get some time to play as a team. So I'm very, very excited for that.
All right, and then about the preparation going forward to the Pinetown Super Cup tournament, how did you prepare for it?
Lots of fitness. Personally, I did some home fitness, and then at training, as we could have seen earlier, we did some cool workouts, getting fit for the for preparations, and then lots of tactical stuff. So we usually start off with some fitness, warm-up, activation, and then we get playing. Lots of playing, yeah.
All right, so briefly, can you tell us which position you're playing and what do you think is important in that position?
I play centre mid at the moment, so I like the window passes, distributing, getting wherever the ball is. I like to be involved, so that's why I like that position.
All right, no, thank you so much and wish you all the best for the Pinetown Super Cup.
Thank you so much.
Sanibona igama uLwazi Clive Ndimbande, coach we International Academy under 17. I'm currently working with under 17 or under 16 no 19 for ama games nje amaningi.
All right, coach, sabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Kancane nje, can you briefly tell us ukuthi how hard was it or what have you gone through to prepare for a tournament like Pinetown Super Cup?
Oh, when it comes to preparing for a Pinetown Super Cup, kuningi impela, because currently we are a new team and a very watched team. Mangithi watched in terms of people are excited in terms of ama tournament esidlale kuwona no esisazoba kuwona. So abantu abaningi are really looking forward ukuthi le international ekukhulunywa ngayo izanani. So the preparation is very heavy. It's not only physically, it's mentally, because they know what they need to be there. Ngoba abantu are gonna scouts, people will be there just to see ukuthi sizanani ngempela.
Alright, bese coach Ari sesikhuluma ke ngale tournament enoyidlala iPinetown Super Cup. Ungasitshela kancane ukuthi yini oyazi you have played it before noma uzobuqala nokuthi yini oyilindele, what are your expectations?
Pinetown, I've heard so much about it. I've watched it. It would be my first time, but ining lo coach esebenzisana nabo Magion, because ining nabo bayidlalile last year and the previous years. But in mina it's an exciting cup. I've been seeing it. It's one of those cups owazi ukuthi silindele yona preparation nje makusuka. It's like engine singayibeka nje we level ya engine. So it's a very big tournament for development. So in development is nama tournament athile eswazi ukuthi abalekile. So Pinetown is one of the most important ones because you get to showcase your talent and you get to find a lot of other amazing talent. So it's a very exciting cup. Wonke umuntu is waiting. I think iyona tournament elindelwe nje moving forward.
Hayi bese ke coach okugcina nje before I let you go ukuthi ukubaleka kwayo because we know ukuthi youth football iyona nto enganakiwe kakhulu. So uma khona iPantan Super Cup providing such platforms yini ongayisho ukuthi contributor towards ukukhulisa youth football in South Africa?
I think geographically South Africa is shifting ibhola nje in terms of youth. We know as already introduced us ukuthi okay sesibhekele khona siyazi development yethu under 17 did well. Most abafana baku under 17 I think umfana oyedwa ophuma kwi British okade dlala kwi British last year was representing us ku under 17 we wamajimbosi other boys who so talent in terms of youth development Pinetown is where you get to see and discover the first talent ulibone ngamehlo yakho lisaraw. And then I think it's very exciting ukubona umuntu esamncane safika usambona ukuthi be raw, and then you get to see them usumbona kulama games amakhulu. And youth in terms of ibhola nje currently, not only am I looking at South Africa but nathi as South Africa sesibambelelile to a trend. Siya understand ukuthi youth football is very it's picking up again, so it's one of the most exciting. Ubuka ama under 10s, ubuka ama under 14s and 15 ukwazi ukubona ukuthi oh lela talent in the next few years lizobelila. So that's why ama platforms njenge Pinetown Cups are so amazing. Kahle World Cup yethu le yango December.
Alright, so ngakhulu coach Arabe sifisela konke okuhle.
Hayi sisibonge nathi so besikhona so besi ready, abafana are mentally ready, I platform nabo nabanye abasazoza. I just hope ukuthi they take it seriously because khona ama cups esingazi ukuthi they will shape I future yakho yonke, so you get that opportunity, use it to the fullest. Siyabonga nathi for a platform.
Okay, my name is Matthew Naki, Director Action International Football Academy.
All right, hi Matthew. Thank you for welcoming us to your club. Now, briefly, we just want to talk about the Pinetown Super Cup and the team's preparation so far. How was it?
No, it's gone well so far. Yes, we've got 6 age groups or 6 teams participating in the Super Cup. We're training 4 days a week for it. We're looking forward to the Super Cup in December.
So what do you think has been the most challenging part for you in preparing for this tournament?
I won't say the most challenging part. It's preparing the players for any tournament, getting their mindsets right to participate in tournaments.
And then we want to touch briefly on the importance of the Pinetown Super Cup, the platform it provides the youth development, specifically players. And since we're having the girls for the second year this year, what do you think about that?
Okay, I think it's a very important tournament. Unfortunately, I've been involved with the Pinetown Super Cup probably since its inception in some kind of different forms, from LFAs to previous academies to LOC last year, now on FCDC with Action International Academy, and it provides a great platform, especially now that we have teams coming from many parts of the country. It gives different challenges to us, especially from KZN, not only from us from Action, but for other teams in KZN as well, where you can see what level we're at against these other provinces as well. For the girls, it's very important. As we know, ladies football is growing tremendously, not only in KZN but in South Africa and in the world itself. So yes, it's a real honour for our ladies to participate in it.
All right. And then the recognition of the youth development setup, especially in South Africa, how do you think that has impacted football in South Africa as a whole?
Well, I think we've got a long way to go, but I think we're on the right path. I think we need more academies and youth developments and especially elite academies where we can challenge each other, scout for better players and get the politics out of football and let the kids play against each other and let them develop, win or lose. And as we move on, then we'll see players grow.
And then lastly, the importance of the Pinetown Super Cup. What can you say to other teams who wish to join, to other teams who have joined and are no longer playing the Pinetown Super Cup?
Oh, for them, I think teams who are no longer participating, they should look at it and definitely look at participating again to challenge their boys, to let their boys be scouted by academies, not only in KZN, but from throughout the country who are joining in, plus other scouts who will come and watch. You know, there's a number of academies or a number of professional clubs which will be there looking. and each one of us can only have a certain amount of players. So the more academies which are there and the more scouts which are there, it's the better for development in the country itself.
Thank you so much for your time and wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. Looking forward to it.